Decision-making strategies start with, is this a risk or is it dangerous? Avoid calling risk danger. Ask yourself, am I really in serious danger? Thought plus motion equals no room for fear. Step 1, attentive curiosity. Ask, what is going on here? Look with no emotion. Step 2, undulation. A state of mind, maybe this or maybe that. This helps you arrive at a focus point. Counteracts the fight or flight syndrome. Step 3, clear intent. This is what you're going to do. The jumping off point. Step 4, grappling. You identify the problems. Know when to act or when not to act. Step 5, rolling waves. The back and forth between intention and action. Feel your own strength, persistence as your fuel. Step 6, whirlwind. The last resort. Pull out all the stops. To opposition. Go or no go? For more street smart business solutions, join learnaccountingfast.com now.